Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the stock market is looking to close out a tumultuous first quarter of 2018 with positive daily gains in a holiday shortened trading week, and albeit on light trading volume heading into the holiday weekend. And to many, the Easter holiday may be a much needed break for beat up traders to lick their wounds and start fresh come Monday. And as you can see, we'll start with the S&P 500 here, currently up about 1.14% on the day. However, we'll switch this to as we're coming to the end of the month, switch it to a monthly chart and open it up. As you can see, it's the second straight month of losses, down 2.91%. And in fact, it's down quarterly as well, which we can quickly find quarterly charts here within Market Club, which we can open it up. And actually, I saw something earlier on the S&P 500 that I'll kind of point out to you here. We actually had a run up here of 9 straight quarters before 2 quarterly losses. And then we matched that again with 9 straight quarters, and we're having a quarterly loss of 1.4% on the quarter to start 2018. Just an interesting pattern I saw there in a 5-year chart. We'll have to see maybe if it continues with another quarterly loss next month. We'll have to regroup at the end of the second quarter and kind of see if that pattern continued or not. Key level to watch as we'll go back to our monthly chart here for S&P 500. Key level to watch is going to be 2,801.90. And move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. And we'll move along to the Dow Jones again, having an up day. It's up a little over 200 or 300 points right now on the day, but down 3.6% on the month, and also posting a quarterly loss as well. Chart analysis scores -60 with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position. Key level to watch remains 23,360.29. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a possible short position for the Dow. We'll take a look at that quarterly chart for the Dow as well. As you can see right down, 2.4% down on the quarter. Moving along to Nasdaq, currently a chart analysis score -60 with a green monthly and green and red. Currently chart analysis score -60 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating the sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch is 6,630.67. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a possible short position for the Nasdaq. As you can see, looking at a quarterly here, is one of the 3 indexes that is posting a quarterly gain of 2%. However, it is posting a monthly loss, a second straight monthly loss of 3.17%. So strong first January, helping the Nasdaq to post that quarterly gain. Moving along to the dollar index, currently down on the month 0.63%, and quarterly the picture is not pretty for the US dollar. As we go back, we'll go 2 years. This will mark the 5th straight quarter of losses for the US dollar. Key level to watch is 89.98. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating an exit from a short position for the US dollar. Crude oil here, posting a quarterly gain a little over 8% with a chart analysis score +85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up. However, the daily trend is in a sidelines position, and we'll change this to a daily chart to see, as we've had a bit of volatility here. We've got a new red daily trade triangle at 64.81, signaling an exit from that short-term long position with a chart analysis score +85. Key level to watch should be 66.41. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for crude oil. Gold came under some real pressure the last couple of days, down 1.3% yesterday, continuing down about 0.1% today, but issued a red daily trade triangle at 1,339.60, indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold with a chart analysis score of +55. Key level to watch would be 1,356.80. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for gold. Start taking a look at Bitcoin here. Currently trading at 7,485.60 with a chart analysis scored -60. That is its lowest level since early February that you can see back here on the chart. The simple moving average we've been watching just continues to get across. It's trading well below its 200-day moving average and its 50-day moving average. And we're looking to see if this 50-day crosses over the 200-day soon. Key level to watch remains 6,194.46. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating that a short position would be in order for Bitcoin. And we'll go ahead and wrap it up here. We'll take a look at Alibaba. Currently trading at 182.40, up about 1.7% on the day. However, it's come under recent pressure, as much of the tech sector has as well, posting a weekly loss right now of 0.72%. And in fact, we'll take a look at a quarterly chart for Alibaba. And you can see it's still eking out a first quarter gain of 5.87%. So overall, the picture looks strong for Alibaba. That's why I like to go and take a look at some bigger time frame charts, just to give you an idea of overall long term where things stand, because oftentimes it's easy to get stuck in the day to day in those movements. But if you open it up a little bit more, you can get a little bit better pressure, or a little bit better picture. Key level to watch for Alibaba will be 177.57. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, exiting the long trade for Alibaba. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. I hope everybody has a happy Easter, and I'll be back next week with your market updates.